Hi everyone, I'm Red Lee. I'm a third-year PhD student from Cornell University. So today I'm going to give a short presentation about Ludic-HRI, designing playful experiences with robots. Before I start it, I would like to show a short video clip that I collected from my research study. So in this video, you can see a robot randomly blowing bubbles to a people. And it actually shows three things I'm really interested in. First, the unknown purpose of the robot. Second, people stopped for the robot by themselves out of curiosity. And third, people were smiling under the scenario. So all of these has been the main part behind my research interest that I really like to dig deeper into. So I came across with the idea of Ludic design that aligns with my research interest. So in the research field of human-computer interaction, researcher Bill Gaver has developed the notion of Ludic design, designing for Homo Ludens, which is seeing human as playful creature characterized not only by our thinking or achievement, but also by our playfulness, curiosity, and exploration. So Ludic design promotes engagement in the exploration and production of meanings and to emphasize the pursuit for utilitarian values or external goals. As research has demonstrated the strength of Ludic design in HCI, I was wondering whether we can bring this idea into HRI and benefit the community. Instead of seeing robots should always carry or assist in specific text, I wonder whether we can get rid of the working mindset and explore and enjoy through the interaction with robots. So in order to do so, I would like to stress on two keywords that have repeatedly appeared in the research of Ludic design, which is playfulness and exploration. So play is not just a mindless entertainment, but an essential way of engaging with and learning about our world and ourselves. It's for adults as well as for children. So instead of being defined for anything, design could offer a range of possible actions and meanings for people to explore with their playful nature and not seeing them as working. I believe applying these ideas in HRI will be beneficial for users to further relate themselves to robots and for researchers to learn more from user sides, how they explore through the interactions with the robots. So to end my presentation, I like to quote from researcher Bill Gaver. He said, "It seems clear that Ludic engagement is not characterized by the absence of tests, but the tests that comprise or the pursuit are motivated by aesthetic rather than utilitarian values, and pursued for pleasure rather than to fulfill external goals." I really like to apply this idea on my research and further explore the potential design space for future HRI. So I would like to thank everyone who has helped me with my research, and you are welcome to reach out to me with the provided email address. Thank you so much.